Hi everyone, it's Donna from Little Spaceman Paper Crafts, and I have come on because I had an idea for a swap. Some of the entries that I've had in for my 3,000 subscribers had some gorgeous Halloween bits and pieces, little ephemera and handmade embellishments and things like that. So I thought about doing a pocket letter, but I didn't just want to do any pocket letter. I wanted to do a mini pocket letter. So basically the mini pocket letter is just 3 pockets. So you would take your full pocket letter sheet and then you would just cut it into 3. So you'd basically get 3 mini pocket letters from one pocket letter sheet. So these are some that I did using some of the gorgeous embellishments and bits and pieces that I have received. Each one of these has got a shaker for the middle. Now I did seal it with my fuse, but just to make sure I put paper toppers on just to make sure nothing leaked out. So I was given some gorgeous sequin mixes and bits and pieces, so I made some little glitter shakers. And then this beautiful rosette I trimmed down to fit the pocket letter, and there's that there, so that's that one. Then there's this one, and again shaker pocket in the middle, and then this one. Look at this gorgeous embellishment. So I was going to I thought about doing a challenge to see if anybody would like to swap. It's not really a challenge, it's more of a swap. So basically what you would do is you would let me know that you wanted a swap partner, and then I would pair you off, and then I would do a video of your partners. And then what I would need you to do is, because YouTube doesn't allow us to put any links or emails in the comment section, I would need for you to all email me and let me know that you would want to take part. So I've got all your email addresses, so if you could just email me and just tell me your YouTube name, your actual name, and if you could put your email address in the email itself, that would be helpful, rather than having to copy and paste it from your actual email. If you could just do it that way, that would make it so much easier for me, and then I can keep track of all the emails of everyone then. And then I will email you out your swap partner's email, and then you can decide amongst yourselves then whether you want to just do one mini pocket or more, or what theme you want to do. I haven't put any goodies in the back of these yet, and do you know what, I'm not even sure I will. I think I might send, because these are going out in Happy Mail to a few lovely ladies, and I'm not sure if I'm going to put anything in the back or just put a few bits in with it. But the beauty of this is that it does fit in, you know, if you don't sort of pad it out too much, it would fit in a small envelope if you don't send extras. If you do, that's something you'll have to discuss with your swap partner. So if you are interested in this mini pocket letter swap, then comment below, and if you could send me an email with your email address in it, your name and your YouTube name, and then I can get you paired up with a swap partner. If I get some international people that want to join, if I can pair you with international, I will do that. If not, then if there's an odd number of international, then I will send something myself to them. So yeah, so basically that's it. So it's just cutting up your pockets. and making a cute little mini one that will just fit in a little envelope. Isn't that cute? So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and let me know if you're interested in this swap. It was just something that I was thinking of while I was making these, and I just thought, because they're really quite quick to do, and I know there are a lot of challenges going on at the moment, and time is, you know, not everybody's friend with work or illness or whatever, so I just thought that these are really cute and quick to do. So if you want to take part, just leave me a comment in the description bar below, and pop me an email. My email address will be in the drop down menu of this video. So thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll be back with another video very soon. I have had a couple more entries in to my 3,000 subscriber giveaway challenge, so I'll be uploading those as well. So thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye for now.